You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. I know this can be a little bit confusing, and many other videos on YouTube have confirmed it are wrong. So let's break it down. Some may pronounce it as Elysia or Elysia, but many pronounce it rather as Elysia, 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 Elysia or Elysia or Elysia, more generally Elysia. How do you pronounce it yourself? Absolutely let us know in the comments and where you're from, so we are a little bit clearer, all of us, how to pronounce it properly. And thumb up to the pronunciations, that the comments that you find the most useful in there. See you there, and thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.